Hi students, welcome to the Math Online Tutor. This is the part 4 video of chapter 1 Relation and Function exercise 1.1, and this part we include the question number 6 to 9. If you directly come to this video first, please watch other videos last posted. I put the links of those videos in description box. Okay, then we can start the sixth question. This is question number 6. So that the relation R in the set of all 1, 2, 3 given by R is equal to set of all 1, 2, divided by 2, 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. So this one. Okay. So this is our relation. This is our relation. You take this. So this is a given. So here given, but relation R is equal to set of all 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, this is our relations. Number 1. So first you have to show this not reflexive. Okay, so from here you can see from 1 you can see that 1, 1 not belongs to R. Okay, similarly 2, 2 not belongs to our relation R. Then 3 also, 3, 3 not belongs to R. Therefore, but the relation R is not but reflexive. Okay, not reflexive relation. Next you have to show what this is symmetric. Okay, so from 1, but from relation our relation 1 you can see 1, 2 belongs to R, and also 2, 1 ordered pair 2, 1 also belongs to R. So 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R means that therefore R is what? Symmetric relation. Okay, R is. Next you have to show that what? Not transitive. Okay, so again you can take from 1, from our relation 1, 1, 2 belongs to R. Okay, 1, 2 belongs to, and also 2, 1 also belongs to R. 2, 1 also belongs to R, but 1, 1 we have to show 1, 1. If your 1, 1 belongs to R, then R is transitive. But here 1, 1 not belongs to R. Therefore, but R is not but transitive. So here hence what R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay. The seventh question, show that the relation R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college given by R is equal to set of all ordered by X, Y such that X and Y have the same number of pages in a pages is an equivalence relation. So this is an equivalence relation. Okay, equivalence relation. So here the X and Y have the same number of pages. Okay, same number of pages. So before that one, what is an equivalence relation? So you check this is a definition of equivalence relation. Okay, so this is the definition. But a relation R in a set A is said to be an equivalence relation if R is reflexive, symmetry and transitive. If the relation R is a reflexive, symmetry and transitive, then R is what? Equivalence relation. So here X and Y means what? X and Y is the set of all books in a library. So this is what? This books. Okay, X and Y is what? Books. So you take this relation first. Okay, so here books, okay, books X and Y have the same number of pages. So okay, pages is number one. Okay, books X and Y have the same number of pages. Okay, so first we have to show what? Reflexive. Okay, reflexive you have to show. So for that one, use in one you substitute what? Y equal to X. So this statement becomes the book X and X has same number of pages. Okay, same number of pages. Clear? So it means X and X means what? We consider the part pages of book X only. Okay, this means we consider only pages of book X only. Okay, book X. So this implies part X comma X belongs to R, real number R, relation R for all X part in a set A. Therefore, R is what? R is reflexive relation. Okay. Next, you can check what is symmetry. You have to show this as symmetric. So for that one, you take part X comma Y belongs to R implies this statement. What X comma Y belongs to R? The books. Okay. Books X and Y but have the same number of pages. Okay, number of pages. So books X and Y have the same number of pages, same as what? Books Y and X also have the same number of pages. This implies what? Books Y and X also have the same number of pages. This implies what? Y comma X belongs to what? For relation R for all X comma Y belongs to A. Therefore, what? Our relation R is what? Symmetric. Okay, symmetric relation. Transitive to show. So for that one, you take X comma Y belongs to R and Y comma Z belongs to R. This implies X comma Y belongs to R means what? Books X and Y have the same number of pages. Okay, and Y comma Z belongs to R means what? And books Y and Z also have the same number of pages. So here listen, X and Y have the same number of books, same number of the page, and the books Y and Z have the same number of pages. This implies what? X and Z also what? The books X and Z also have the same number of pages. Okay, this implies books X and Z have the same number of pages. Okay, this implies what? X comma Z belongs to R for all X comma Y comma Z belongs to A. What is A? A is the set of all books in a library of a college. Okay, therefore what? R is what? Transit. Okay, therefore the relation R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, and hence the relation R is what? Equivalence relation. Okay, so this is the 8th question. Show that the relation are in the set A equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by relation R is equal to set of all ordered pair A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is even is equivalence relation. The next question, show that all the elements of the set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all the elements of set 2, 4 are related to each other, but no elements of set 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of set 2, 4. So here two questions. First question is this, you have to show the equivalence relation, and next show that the elements of this set is related to each other. Next elements of this set is related to each other, and this set elements and this set elements are not related to each other. This three question is there. So first is equivalence relation. What is equivalence relation? You know, equivalence relation means R is equivalence relation means R is reflexive, symmetric, or transitive, then R is equivalence. So to show this one, you first take this statement. This is a relation. You take out that one. That is modulus of A minus B is even. That is a number one statement. Okay. So you have first to show our reflexive. So what? So you write in one put what? B equal to A. Okay. So this becomes modulus of A minus A. What is A minus A? Equal to 0. So 0 is what? 0 is even. Okay. So this implies what? A minus, so A comma A, ordered pair A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to set A. Okay. This implies what? R is, or we can this implies what? R is what? Reflexive relation. Okay. So you can take A is equal to, suppose A is equal to what? 1. So you can write 1 minus 1. Okay, modulus of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This even. That means 1 comma 1 belongs to R. Similarly, you can write 2 minus 2 equals 0, 3 minus 3 modulus of etc. 5 minus 5. So this becomes what? R is reflexive. Next we have to show what? R is symmetric. So for that one, you take if A minus B belongs to R. Okay, this implies modulus A minus B is even. Okay, this implies, suppose you inside the modulus you multiply minus sign. Okay, A minus of A minus B is even. Okay, that means for example minus of modulus of minus A is equal to what? A. Okay, so this is even. So this implies modulus. So using this minus you remove the bracket, that is minus A, minus into minus plus B. Okay, plus B is even. Okay, this implies modulus of, first you write B minus A is even. Okay, this implies what? B comma A belongs to R for all A comma B belongs to A. Therefore, what? R is symmetric relation. Okay, or we can take suppose A is equal to 3, B equal to 1, then what? Suppose 3 comma 1 belongs to what? R, implies mod 3 minus 1 equal to what? 2, even. Okay, this implies you multiply by what? Minus sign, then this also equal to what? 2. Then remove this one, that minus 3 plus 1 also 2. This implies modulus of 1 minus 3 is equal to 2. This implies what? 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Okay, therefore what? R is symmetric. Clear? This way you can take this. Suppose you can take any number 3, 5, any number you can take, then you can show. Next you show that what is transitive. First transitive we take if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Okay, then you have to show what? A comma C also belongs to R. Okay, so this implies A comma B belongs to R means what? Modulus of A minus B what is even. Okay, then B comma C belongs to R means what? And modulus of B minus C is even. Then you A minus B, take out A minus B from mode. This implies what? A minus B is even. No problem, even. And B minus C is even. Okay, so this two you add. This part you add, and this part also you add. This implies A minus B plus B minus C even, sum of two even number is what? Is even number. So again is even number is even. So minus B and plus B you can cancel. This implies what? A minus C is even. Then next you can put the mode. This implies mod A minus C is even. This implies what? A comma C belongs to R for all A, comma B, comma C belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Okay, transitive relation. So suppose you can take what? Suppose A equal to 5, B equal to 3, and C equal to 2. Okay, then first you can take what? Mode 5 minus 3, 2 even, and next 3 minus this is, sorry, you take about 1. You take 1. 1 is what? 2. Okay, so you 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay, and then add this part separate and this part is separate. So 5 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2. Sum of two even number is even. Then 3 and minus 3 cancel. Okay, so 5 minus 1 equal to 2 plus 2, 4. So apply the modulus. Modulus of 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This implies what? 5 comma 1 belongs to R. Okay, that means this becomes what? Transitive. Okay, therefore what? Our R is what? Reflexive, comma symmetric, and transitive. And hence what? R is equivalence relation. Okay, so next part is show that all the elements of set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Next part we have to show this one. All the elements of sets 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. So for that one, so in this set all the elements are what? Odd number. So the difference of any two odd number is even number. So very important. So you can take suppose this modulus of what? Modulus of difference. This is a relation. Modulus of difference between any two elements in the set 1, 2, 1, 3, 5 is even. Okay, is even. That is, you can take that is modulus of 1 minus 3, 1, 2, modulus of and modulus of 1 minus 5, 4, even. Then modulus of 3 minus 5, 2. Also modulus of 1 minus 1 equal to 0, even, etc. Okay, so the modulus, the thing is that in the set all the elements are odd numbers. The difference of any two odd number is what? Is even. Therefore what? All the elements in the set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Okay, so the first part is what? Related to each other means this relation is satisfied. That is the modulus of the difference of any two number is even. Next, similar way you have to show what the elements of this set is also related. That means in this set 2, 4. In this set all the elements are what? Even. So the difference of any two even number is even. So you can take same methods, that is modulus of difference between any two elements in the set 2, 4 is even. That is mod 2 minus 4, 2 is even. Next, mod 2 minus 2 equal to 0, even. Only one more number. Mod 4 minus 4 equal to 0, or all are 0. That is even number. Therefore, what all the elements in the set 2, 4 are related to each other. Okay, so this second part is we have to show. Next, we have to show no elements of set 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. Okay, so you can take what? Yes, modulus of difference between any two elements in the sets are set 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 is not even. Is a very important. Here listen. That is, you can take, that is, in this set all the elements are what? Even number, odd number. And in this set all the elements are what? Even number. The difference between one odd number and even number is always odd. That means modulus of 1 minus 2 equal to 1 is not even. And similarly, the mod 3 minus 4 is what? 1. Okay, then mod 1 minus 4 is equal to what? 3. Clear? And mod what? 3 minus 2 equal to 1 is 4. Okay, therefore what? Elements of sets are 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 are not related to each other. That means what? No elements of set 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 are related to each other. Okay, the ninth question, show that each of the relation are in the set A is equal to set of all x belongs to Z, such that 0 less than or equal to x less than 12 is given by first relation R is equal to set of all ordered pair AB, such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4 And second relation, R is equal to set of all A comma B ordered by A comma B such that A equal to B is equivalence relation, and find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. So here are 3 questions. First two, you have to show this two part equivalence relation, and second one, the one is related to this relation and this relation. Find the set of all elements related to the elements you have to find. So first you have to show what? First one, the relation. Okay. Before that, how to define A? So A is equal to set of all integers. Okay, that integers lies between lies between -1 to 13. That means less than or equal to. So you include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is our A. Okay, the relation is this one. That statement you take. That is modulus A minus B is multiple of 4. Okay, multiple of 4. Number 1. So first you show the relation R is reflexive. For that, put B equal to A in 1. Okay, so therefore the relation become A minus A. This A minus A is mod 0 equal to 0 is multiple of 4. Is also multiple of 4. This implies what? A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to A. Therefore, R is what? Reflexive. Reflexive relation. For example, here you take 0. 0 minus 0, 0 is multiple. Okay, 4. Then 1, take a 1 minus 1 equal to 0, that also multiple of 4. Then you take 2, 4, etc. Add 12 minus 12, 0, that also multiple of 4. Okay, then you show what? R is symmetric. Okay, so for that you take if A comma B belongs to R implies mod A minus B is multiple of 4. This implies what? Mod you multiply minus A. Okay, minus A minus B is multiple of 4. Okay, this implies remove the bracket, minus A minus into minus plus B is multiple of 4. Okay, this implies modulus of, first you write A, B minus A is multiple of 4. This implies what? B comma A belongs to R for all A comma B belongs to our set A. That means this. So R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Okay. For example, you can take A equal to some 5, B equal to 1. Then 5 comma 1 belongs to R. Therefore, mod 5 minus 1 equal to mod 4 equal to 4 is multiple of 4. Therefore, minus 5 minus 1 equal to again 4, multiple of 4. Therefore, modulus of minus 5 minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 4 is multiple of 4. That means 1 modulus of 1 minus 5 is equal to 4 is multiple of 4, that 1 comma 5 belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric. In this way can symmetry show. Next you have to show this transitive. For that, if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, this implies this belongs to R means what? Modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4, and is also what? B minus modulus of B minus C is multiple of 4. Okay, this implies, so you take out A minus B from the mode. A minus B is multiple of 4, and take out B minus C also. B minus C also what? Multiple of 4. This implies, so you add this two, okay, and this also multiple of 4 and multiple of 4 also. So here A minus B plus B minus C is multiple of 4. For example, this a multiple of 4 is suppose 8. 8 you can write what? 2 into 4 is a multiple of 4. Then suppose this becomes what? 12. 12 you can write what? 4 into 3. This is also multiple of 4. So this 2 you add, you will get what? 20. Okay. Multiple of 4 plus multiple of 4 is again what? Multiple of 4. Okay, that is multiple of 4. This implies what? Apply the modulus. Okay, mod A minus C is multiple of what? 4. Okay, this implies that what? A comma C belongs to R for all A comma B comma C belongs to A. Therefore R is a transitive. R is transitive relation. Okay, for example, you can take A equal to 11 and B equal to 7 and C equal to 3. It means mod 11 minus 7 equal to 4 is multiple of 4. And mod 7 minus 3 again 4 is multiple of 4. Okay, then 11 minus 7, okay, equal to 4, and 7 minus 3 equal to 4. This implies you can add this part and this part. Okay, so 11 minus 7 plus 7 minus 3 equal to 4 plus 4. So minus 7 plus 7 cancel. That is equal to, that is 11 minus 3 equal to 8. That is equal to, you apply modulus, 11 minus 3 equal to 8. This implies 11 comma 3 belongs to R. Therefore R is transitive. Okay, therefore here R is reflexive, comma symmetric, and transitive, and hence what? R is equivalence relation. Okay, equivalence relation. Then next is second part, what? R is equal to set of all A comma B such that A equal to B is the relation. Okay, So you first what we have to show this reflexive. So in 1 put b equal to what? A. So this is a relation. So this becomes what? A equal to A. Okay. This implies A equal to A means that's a relation. This means A comma A belongs to R or all A belongs to A. Okay. Therefore, R is reflexive. That means 0 is equal to 0, same like 1 equal to 1, 2 equal to 2, etc. 12 equal to 2, like that. Okay. Next, we have to show what is a symmetry. So, if A comma B belongs to R, this implies what? A equal to B. That's a relation. This implies A equal to B, same as what? B equal to A. Also, we can write. This implies B comma A belongs to R for all A comma B belongs to A. Okay. Therefore, what? R is symmetric relation. Next, we have to show what? R is transitive. For that, we take if A comma B belongs to R and ordered pair B comma C belongs to R. This implies A comma B belongs to R means what? A equal to B, and B comma C belongs to R means what? B equal to C. So listen, A equal to B and B equal to C. This implies what? A equal to C. This implies what? A comma C belongs to R for all A comma B comma C belongs to our set A. Therefore, R is transitive also. Transitive. Okay. So therefore, R is what? R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, and hence what? R is equivalence relation. Okay, R is equivalence relation. Find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. So A is equal to set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 12. In the first case, what is the relation? Relation is equal to set of all ordered pair AB such that mod A minus B is a multiple of 4. So you have to find a one set that elements related to 1. That means related to 1, this relation satisfied. Okay, this relation is satisfied. So you just that all the elements of the sets are what? Up to 0 to 12. So you can take this let A equal to that element. A, that elements belongs to A. That means that elements are all are in set A. Okay. Is related to A is related to what? 1. Okay, related to 1. That means modulus of A minus 1 is multiple of 4. This is a relation. This is our relation. What is A? A takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up to 12. That means A equal to 0. 0 minus 1. Check this multiple of 4. Then 1 minus 1 is multiple of 4. And 2 minus 1 is either multiple of 4 or not. You check that one. So for that one, you take first A equal to 0, then this becomes what? 0 minus 1 is equal to mod minus 1 equal to 1 is not multiple of what? Multiple of 4. Okay, not multiple of 4. Then take a equal to 1. That means modulus of 1 minus 1 equal to 0 is multiple of 4. So you can take a equal to 1 is correct. Okay, is the relation satisfied. Next you check a equal to 2. That means mod 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 is not multiple of what? Multiple of 4. Okay, then you check a equal to 3. That means 3 minus 1 equal to 2 is not multiple. Then 4. 4 minus 1, 3, not. Next you take what? A equal to 5. What? Mod 5 minus 1 equal to 4 is multiple of 4. Okay, so you can take 5. A equal to 5. Next check a equal to 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 is not multiple of 4. Next you take 7. 7 minus 1. 6 not multiple of 8, not. Next check the 9. A equal to 9. That means mod 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 is multiple of 4. Then you check, suppose then you can take part a equal to 9. Okay, then you can check 10 minus 1, 9. 9 is not multiple. Then 11 minus 1, 10 is not multiple. Then 12 minus 1 is 11 is not multiple. Okay, so this only possibility is what? A equal to 1, a equal to 5, a equal to 9. So a equal to 1, 5, 9 what? Satisfied what? Satisfied the relation mod a minus 1 is multiple of 4. Okay, therefore the set of elements related to 1 is what? Set 1, 5, 9. This elements only related to 1. That means 1 minus 1, 0 is multiple of 4. 5 minus 1, 4 is multiple of 4. Then 9 minus 1, 8 is a multiple of 4. Okay. Next, what? Relation R is equal to set of all a comma b, what? A equal to b is the relation. Okay, a equal to b is the relation. So you can take, let a belongs to a, what is related to what? 1. So our a is, take the a values are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 12. Okay, so our relation is a equal to b. So first you can take a equal to 0. Check what is our relation a equal to. So the relation, we have to check the relation a equal to 1. Okay, checking a equal to 1. So a equal to 0 means 0 not equal to 1. It's not true. Okay, not true. Then a equal to 1, you check what? 1 equal to 1 is true. Okay, next this you can take. Next, a equal to 2, so 2 not equal to 1, not true, not satisfied, the relation not satisfied, etc. You can check this. A equal to 3, no, 3 not equal to what, 1 is not true. Okay, then etc etc, any number you can check. Last what, a equal to 12 and 12 not equal to what, 1 is not true. Okay, therefore only one possibility is there, what, a equal to 1 is satisfied the relation, our relation. So a equal to 1 satisfied the relation at the relation a equal to 1. Therefore what, the set of elements related to 1 is only one number, that is a singleton set to 1. Okay, dear students, click on subscribe button and bell icon to get the notification when I upload new videos. If you like the videos, please share your friends and relatives. Okay, thank you.